If you've been productive, responsible, holding it all together, but quietly exhausted, this message is from your future self. Today's cards are about balance, self-love, and allowing yourself to actually enjoy your life. Let's pull 3 cards in 3 minutes. My name is Megan Monique, and I help women activate their future selves. You can connect with me every week at my Oracle Hour by clicking the link wherever you're watching this. This is 3 cards in 3 minutes where we pull oracle cards to help you connect with your future self and turn them into practical guidance that you can use in your everyday life. Our first card is balance. Balance isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about noticing when something is out of alignment. Have you been giving more than you're receiving? Have you been working more than you're resting? Have you been thinking more than you're feeling? Your future self is balanced because she checks in with herself. She adjusts before burnout. She recalibrates before resentment builds. Today, I want you to ask yourself, where am I leaning too hard in one direction? And what area of my life needs more attention or less? Balance isn't static, it's responsive. And your awareness is the first step. Let's move deeper into the self-love card. Real self-love. Self-love is boundaries. Self-love is speaking kindly to yourself. Self-love is choosing rest without guilt. Self-love is saying no when something is draining you. Your future self does not bully herself into growth. She supports herself into it. So today, I want you to notice your inner dialogue. Would you speak to someone you love the way that you're speaking to yourself? If the answer is no, this is your invitation to soften. Self-love will strengthen you. It doesn't make you weak. Now, our third card is a card that some women may struggle with. It is the pleasure card. When was the last time you did something just because it felt good for you? And we're not talking about something that was productive or strategic or necessary. We're talking about something that was purely enjoyable. Pleasure is not selfish. It regulates you. It heals you. It connects you to your body. Your future self allows joy. She doesn't delay happiness until everything is perfect. Let's add something small to our day. Music that you love, a walk outside, a warm shower, 5 minutes with no agenda. Pleasure reminds your nervous system that life is safe. So let's recap. Rebalance. Treat yourself with love. Allow pleasure to exist in your day. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to earn joy. You don't have to earn kindness from yourself. That is future self behavior. If you are ready to deepen this work, I invite you to join me for my free 7-day future self activation adventure. It's designed to help you align your energy, strengthen your self-love, and create a life that feels balanced and fulfilling. You can sign up wherever you're watching this video. And when you get down there to the comments, I want you to tell me which of these cards spoke with you the most today.